Should we get it? But no, I think we should just put it back. Everything here is so tempting. Hey guys, follow me on this 3-part grocery shopping journey where we take you to unusual places to get your groceries. From wholesale to neighbourhood supermarkets to wet markets around Singapore, we're going to uncover tips and tricks to help you stretch your dollar. I'm your host Annette, and this is Unusual Hunts. So I'm here today with Zool.
Hi, I'm Zool.
So we're going to 3 neighbourhood supermarkets today so that Zool can find out what are her options to shop at next time. But before we begin, I have a question for you. How often do you usually go on a grocery run?
Per week, I would have to go once or twice, depending on how fresh I want my produce to be.
What do you usually buy each time?
Usually, I'll have to get my proteins, my fresh leafy greens, but for today, I'm actually prepared my shopping list.
Oh wow!
So today we need to get our frozen chicken breast, frozen prawns, instant paste and sauces, and also my desserts.
Very good. So she's got a list. We'll definitely not miss anything out here today. So this is the final $1 million question. What is your usual budget each time?
Per grocery run, it would go up from $50 to $100 per run, so my money's flying away a little bit.
Never mind, it's okay. Hopefully we can try and beat that budget today. Yeah, I think we can. So let's start.
Let's go!
So our first unusual stop is here at Suie Amir, a one-stop halal supermarket. So we're here at their Tampines outlet where you can find daily essentials for everyone. Wow!
This is a makcik heaven. 1 kg prawns for $13.90. It's quite worth
Just
it.
$13.90.
Are you a member of Suie Amir?
I am. Yeah, so did you know, right, that if you're a member, you get 1 point for every $1 that you spend, and then at 400 points, you get $10 off. So that's extra savings.
Total $37, ma'am.
I'll use my CC voucher.
All Singaporean households will have received $300 worth of CDC vouchers in end June, which can be spent at participating heartland merchants and hawkers, as well as participating supermarkets. Our next stop is Malvados, where you can get ready-to-eat meals, snacks and desserts. It's perfect for that quick post-work fix. And this outlet that we're exploring today is at Woodleigh Mall.
I like how it's like local flavours. Ooh, they got durian cake.
There's so many different types of cheesecake also. Oh my goodness, there's even a cheesecake platter. This would be perfect if you had a party at home.
Yeah.
Right? But you don't have one right now. So let's put it back.
They got a bundle set also.
Yes, it's 2 for $14, guys. One shopping tip also is that when you're buying stuff, you can look out for sales like this where you can buy in bulk, or you can also look for smaller packets. So let's say we were talking about this $27, 8 packets, right? You can also get the smaller version, tinier packets, so you get to actually minimize waste because you get the variety, but you don't need so much volume, especially if you're from a smaller family. Should we get it? But no, I think we should just put it back. It's not on the shopping list.
It's not on the shopping list for today.
For our last stop, we are here at Ace Fresh that's situated in Ang Mo Kio. So this is a 24-hour supermarket and convenience store where you can find fresh produce, household items and daily essentials. They've got outlets in the north and east of Singapore as well, so this Zool is where you can get all your fresh fruits and vegetables.
Alright, I can't wait to check it out.
Let's go!
When it comes to getting my fresh produce, my fruits, right, what I look out for is the colour. I make sure that it's vibrant and the firmness of it. That helps me to determine the freshness of the produce.
So one good thing about shopping at neighbourhood supermarkets also is that usually you can find cheaper fresh produce. I see the prices are so affordable.
The tomatoes are 1 kg for $2.90.
Yeah, I know, right? And also you can even consider local produce. Usually they retain more nutrients because they are picked fresh and so there's less chance of cross-contamination. Try and look out for those have the SG Fresh label.
Next is brown rice.
It's a bit high, but don't worry, you're tall enough.
Yeah.
Alright, Zool, so you managed to get all your stuff. I'm so happy for you. So what are your thoughts on today's experience?
I think it was a very insightful shopping trip from all the cost-saving tips that you shared, and I'm so glad that I got to spend way less than expected.
And I'm also glad that you used your CDC vouchers. So if you guys have not used yours, remember to claim them at go.gov.sg/CDCV and use them by 31st December 2024. Alright, thank you guys for joining us today on Unusual Hunts. I hope you picked up some cost-saving tips along the way. If you have any more tips to share or if you know of your own unusual hunts, do leave them down in a comment below. Bye!